To replace the control panel, first we need to unplug the chair. Next, we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the left-hand arm cap. Once all 3 screws are removed, we can remove the arm cap from the chair. Next, we need to detach the top of the body pad from the headrest pad. They're secured using hook and loop fasteners. And then fold the top of the body pad forward onto the seat. Next, we'll use a flathead screwdriver and our fingers to pop open the connector box. And then disconnect the connectors. Now, if you're working on a Supreme Upholstery Package, which is shown here, there'll be 3 connectors. If you're working on a Performance Upholstery Package, there'll just be the one black cable connector. Okay, next we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw that secures that glide rail safety tip. And also secures the cable in that location. Okay, and once that screw is removed, we can remove the control panel from the chair. To install the new control panel then, the first thing we're going to do is connect the connectors to the corresponding connectors from the chair. Again, there'll be 3 connectors for a Supreme Upholstery Package and 1 for Performance. And then we need to place the strain relief on each cable into the slot in the connector box before snapping that connector box cover back on. Okay, then we can tuck that box into the seat canvas. And next we need to align the loop on the control panel cable with the screw hole on the glide rail safety tip and replace that screw to secure it. This just keeps the cable in place neatly where it belongs. Okay, then we're ready to return the top of the body pad to the upright position, tucking that top flap up inside the headrest pad. Make sure it's nice and flat there, and then push firmly on the headrest pad to secure those pads using the hook and loop fasteners. Next, we can place the control panel centered above the wood arm, and if you've removed the recline controller housing or if it's shifted, make sure that's in position, properly aligned. And then, while making sure neither of those 2 items move, place the arm cap into position and push down firmly. And that kind of snaps into place, partially holding those items, but then we need to replace the 3 screws to secure it. Okay, then we can plug in the chair and confirm that the control panel is now working properly.